Here I have KARBONN Aura, and let me show you how to use here Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. At the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use upper bar twice and let's find here Do Not Disturb right here. Let's tap it once and you can switch your device to total silence. So this block all sounds, you can choose priority only. So you won't be disturbed by sounds except from your exceptions. And you can also choose alarms only. And what's also really important, you can choose until you turn it off, or you can set up this mode for exact period of time. In my case, let me choose until I turn it off, tap done. As you can see, alarms only pops up right here, and also here you can find the icon. So if you would like to disable this mode or set up the Do Not Disturb, let's use the apps icon. Here let's find and select settings, choose prompt and notifications, tap Do Not Disturb, and you can choose here the priority rules, so you can here handle with reminders, events, repeat callers. You can accept some calls and messages from some favorite contacts, for example. Let's go back. You can also choose some automatic rules, and here you can, for example, enable Do Not Disturb every weekend, every weeknight, or you can add some other customized rules. So that's it. To disable the mode, let's use the same upper bar twice. And let's tap on alarms only. Now Do Not Disturb is disabled. So everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.